Good morning, guys. How are you? It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. It's cold. It's late fall. This is Taco. My name is Alfredo, Roman Impression Roofer. I'm one of the estimators. So let me show you what's going on here today. So we're in Uxbridge and we're doing an 80 bundle metal roof. If you don't know, a metal roof is the Ferrari of the industry. It's a forever roof. It will last you over 50 years. We use steel for our metal roofs. The color today is chosen with Shadow Brown. The first step that goes into a metal roof is we assess your plywood. If you qualify for a metal roof. Because the metal roof has strupping. So what we do first, we check if the plywood is rotten. We look for any waves, any holes, softness. If your plywood is good, you do qualify for a metal roof. First process is this. We put synthetic and ice and water in the whole entire roof. Ice and water goes in the critical areas.
Then, step 2, we use 3x1 vertical stropping, and then afterwards horizontal stropping to allow strength for the metal roof, and as well allow ventilation so the roof can ventilate and allow air to pass through, giving a longer lasting, healthier metal roof.
The final step is the metal. Custom metal sheets that we manufacture in-house for you guys.